Hi friends, do you know how to use soldering iron? If you don't know, then watch my video till end. If you don't subscribe my channel, then first please subscribe my channel. You can see this is soldering iron, contains a heat element in it and it requires 220 volt to operate. Soldering irons are available in market in different watts with different prices like 30 watt, 40 watt, 50 watt, 60 watt, 80 watt and 100 watt. And I have 40 watt soldering iron. Beginners, please note this point. When first use the electric iron, as the electric heating element warm may be sent out slightly smoke. This is normal appearance will disappear automatically after 10 minutes. This is soldering paste. It is used to clean iron tip and this is how paste looks. And this is the soldering wire. Now practically I will show you how soldering iron works. First plug in the soldering iron in AC switch. Wait for 1 minute to heat up the element inside the iron. To check is the iron ready to solder things, take the soldering wire and touch over the tip. If soldering wire melts and gives smoke, then iron is ready to use. If you want to join these two wires by soldering, first clean the tip of soldering iron, then put these wires together. Now you can see that soldering is done. Both wires connect with each other. Friends, if you want to disconnect these wires, then put the tip of soldering wire over this soldering joint. Now friends, check how soldering material melts. And I hope you will understand how to use soldering iron. Clean the tape after completing work. If you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.